welcome back. I'm Holly Golightly. This is Perfume Vegas, my perfume closet. I'm stuck in here because my desk, where I film normally, is covered in junk for something very special that you may already know about by now. But if you don't, I'm not going to spoil the surprise because I don't actually know when I'm uploading this video. I'm pre-filming, and yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. This is October's Scentbird. When I'm filming this, I don't even think that the Scentbird video for November or September and August has even gone live, but October. So yeah, the months of August and September were a bit of a letdown when it comes to the fragrance department. Or, I'm sorry, when it comes to the Scentbird department. There were some okay things. There was some not so good things. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. This month had all good things. I'm so happy, and I'm super excited to share them with you. There's actually, probably you know about a couple of them already, or you at least know about the brands already, but there's one that I'm really excited about. I was super surprised. So let's go ahead and get started. As usual, I have 3 fragrances from Scentbird, and I also want to just give you a heads up. I will be discontinuing my Scentbird subscription after December of this year, not because I'm unhappy or upset, but simply because at this time there aren't a lot of fragrances that I haven't tried already that I'm interested in. With that being said, if they get more, different variety, definitely a possibility to start up again. But for now, let's enjoy it while we have it. All right. So the first one, whoa, I was getting really ahead of myself. I got another fragrance from Etat Libre. This is Exit the King. Now, Exit the King is one of my favorite fragrances from Etat Libre. Unlike I Am Trash, it's one that I actively want a full-size bottle of, but right now that's not very high on my priority. What I am trying to do is just, enjoy the fragrance for the time being, and yeah, that's it. So Exit the King is a fragrance inspired by the fall of patriarchal power, because nothing can rule us. An immaculate blend of petals and overdose, clean foam, and tree moss, contrasted with patchouli on a milky skin of sandalwood and white woods. I don't really know why they had to specify patriarchal power. Like, that seems kind of like the opposite of being what they wanted it to be, but whatever. Not my press pack, not my problem. But the callout notes are soap foam, pink pepper, jasmine, rose, and patchouli. Oh, it's just a super pretty, clean, floral patchouli. There's something about the fragrance that it would be just a kind of, just your typical, like, rose patchouli, but there is something about it. Whatever this, like, soap foam note, I think, it makes it just so airy and fresh. This isn't one that I would pick for fall, winter weather. This is definitely a spring scent to me. Despite the heavy sounding name and the description, this smells like a beautiful spring day. It's like being in the park or being in the meadow, enjoying the fragrance of flowers in the air, your partner's like skin, your warm blanket maybe you're laying on. It's just beautiful. I love this fragrance. One of my favorites from Etat Libre, definitely like in my top 5 from them. I do want to get a full bottle someday, but for now, this one will have to do. So the next fragrance is from the brand Scent in Wood. And this one I know a lot of people have been kind of given some buzz on YouTube, the brand. I think the founder has done some like YouTube interviews and stuff, and I've been interested in trying them for a while. They just kept getting pushed back in my queue. So now I have actually two, this one and another one that I want to try, see how the feel is, see what the vibe's like, see the fragrance, performance. Because I can tell you right now, the fragrance itself, the scent of this is amazing. So I got from Scents of Wood the fragrance Orange and Chestnut. Doesn't that sound that sounds so delicious? It says a harmonious clash between the timeless vitality of the orange tree and its exuberant intimacy and a modern amber stretching to the extreme of modernity. The call-out notes are bergamot, cedarwood, orange flower, jasmine, and amber. Oh, it's so pretty. I wore this earlier today. First of all, look at how beautiful that color is. Look at that juice. It's so pretty. Oh, and the scent of this is chef's kiss. I mean, my God. Oh, it lasted super well. I ended up washing my hands quite a bit, so I can't say for like the actual longevity, but the fragrance I could smell on my skin even after 2 hand washings. The fragrance is amazing, and it just has a feeling of longevity about it. It doesn't smell like a traditional amber. It really doesn't smell ambery at all to me. It doesn't really smell like very citrusy, but it does smell orange, like an orange, but not like a zesty type of citrus orange, but like a drizzled orange, like a orange loaf, something rich, something like very succulent, savory, almost a savory orange. And then the woodiness from the cedar wood is super, super present. But again, it does not smell like a traditional cedar wood. Traditional cedar wood, you think of like opening like the cedar wood boxes that you kept your little trinkets in so that moths wouldn't get them, right? Like that's kind of what I think of when I just think of cedar wood. This doesn't smell that like at all. It doesn't smell like that. It smells woody, smells succulent, smells floral. Ah, it's delish. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited to wear this in winter because I love these kind of candied orange fragrances for Christmas. I think I had mentioned in a different video. It might be my fall fragrance collection video, and I don't know if that's up. But I don't do a winter scent rotation until like January. So during December, I keep my fall fragrances and then just add like the 5 or 6 like Christmas fragrances that I have. So I love Christmas fragrances. This last one is very, very Christmassy as well. But this one is different, very interesting, very exciting. So I got the fragrance Amber Bee from Hermetica like many months ago, and I'll put that video like up here. And that is a alcohol-free parfum. So it's just in water, I believe, or they put like some glycerin or something in it to help carry the fragrance molecules. And I just really didn't like it. The fragrance smelled kind of cheap. The performance was not great. It just didn't do it for me. But I tried another non-alcohol perfume. This is from Brûmée, and it is the scent Pine Tree and Vetiver. Look at this, you guys. You thought that orange and chestnut bottle, that juice was amazing. I thought there was something wrong when I pulled this out. I was like, what the heck do I have? This is the fragrance. This is the way it looks. It is fragrance in water with some like different carriers. It's not just water and fragrance. No, there's some carriers in this. But yeah, so Brûmée Pine Tree and Vetiver is an earthy scent offset by citrus brooms to celebrate the freshness of nature and your amour for it. On the days where you wish you were surrounded by lush greenery, breathing in nature's purest air, yeah, please, allow your fragrance to transport you there. This is an alcohol-free, natural fragrance. I don't know what they mean by natural exactly, but it says that you can find it on Amazon, and there's also a QR code you can scan. So I went to Amazon and I was looking it up. So this company is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, SLS-free, all the frees. It's also alcohol-free and, I said vegan, alcohol-free and, gluten-free. I figured it out. This scent, the pine tree and vetiver is so fresh. Oh my god. I can't even tell you. The call-out notes are bergamot, mandarin, balsam fir, cedar, and vetiver. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is straight up like a pine tree in my nose. It's not really like straight pine tree, but it's like if you cut down your Christmas tree and then decorated it with like some bits of orange, like that kind of grassy, dry vetiver, and spritzed it with bergamot and cedar, like aromatherapy oil. This is going to be so good to layer with and wear at Christmas time. I'm gonna smell like a goddamn Christmas tree. Oh, you guys. I went on Amazon. There's 3 different scents that I saw. I didn't scan the QR code because my phone is like a total bee with these QR codes. But all 3 scents sounded amazing. They were $45. I'm not sure what the full size was, but the bottles are beautiful. Like, they look like ceramic with a wood cap. They had a jasmine one that was on sale. I kind of want to buy it, but I really like this one, so I kind of want to buy this one. But it wasn't on sale, so I don't know what to do. But I don't know about the projection, longevity, etc., of this fragrance. I assume that it's not great comparatively. On the website, on the Brûmée Amazon storefront, they say that it is going to be a skin scent that lasts about 5 hours. So that sounds pretty typical for a non-alcohol fragrance. They just don't project the same way. The alcohol is what boosts it, so that's why extraits sometimes aren't as loud as eau de parfums. But a 5-hour longevity is actually really good for a non-alcohol, like an alcohol-free perfume. So I definitely will be giving that a good old try. If anyone's interested in an update about the fragrance, I will do a full Scentbird update when I have finished the year. I did it last year, and I'll do it again because that just helps me too. But yeah, I'm really happy with this month, and I'm really excited to be wearing these 2 fragrances that are more winter appropriate. And I'm really happy to have Exit the King for the spring. So anyway, you guys, if you are interested in signing up for Scentbird, if you haven't tried them, they've been getting a lot of really great fragrance choices lately. A lot of niche choices, a lot of luxe choices, sometimes brands that I've never heard of before, sometimes brands that I've heard of but I've really wanted to try and haven't gotten a chance to. I do have a link if you're interested in signing up. It's not a affiliate link, but I do get, I get a free perfume, and you get a free perfume if you sign up with my link, we're helping each other help each other. If you've ever wanted to try Scentbird and haven't, I mean, why not? Just give it a go. Once again, still been binging that chapter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and leave me a comment with your thoughts on these fragrances or any others, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Simple